A very common issue that me and my friends been having is our wrenches. They're all over the place. And then as far as storage, you can spend a lot of money, but I really like this practical solution. All you need is a 10 gauge wire, um, maybe a couple hours of your time. Now that you've made your circles, you're gonna wind up getting them just like this. Either you can put a single strand or a double strand to your wrenches. I like the double strand, and I like the circles to be a lot wider than the actual wrenches, and it holds up way better than a single strand. I don't recommend to just do this with the copper wire. It really sucks. The plastic gives it a lot more support. It makes it feel a little bit more rigid, and it feels really good when you're putting in and out wrenches. And this is my final product, and it's fairly inexpensive.